Hey there, little artists! Let's start with Larila. She's a round. Start with a big circle, just like a candy ball. Add 2 shiny eyes, a tiny nose, and a happy little smile. She's always ready for an adventure with Glorbo. Pause and draw your own version of Lirili. Don't forget to subscribe for more cute characters every week. I'd love to see your drawings. Ask someone to help you share them and tag me. Chubby cheeks and her twisty, stripy watermelon shell. So bright and fun. And now with Glorbo Fruttodrilo. He's a squishy little watermelon crocodile who loves sandals and sweet summer days. We start with a big round head, like a juicy watermelon. Now to cute ears, rosy cheeks, and sparkly eyes. Isn't he adorable? Draw with me? You can do it! Yay! You did it! You drew Glorbo and Lirili, 2 fruity, happy friends. Leave a big thumbs up if you had fun. And tell me in the comments, what should we draw next? See you soon, little artists! Bye-bye!